Good afternoon. It's an honor to be making this video to break the wall of inefficient collection and redemption of loyalty rewards. My name is Asim Gupta and I love to travel, or let's say I love to travel for free. I look super happy here at my dream destination in Hawaii last year because I earned myself an almost free travel, including flight tickets out of California and hotel stays in Hawaii. And I didn't do any magic. All I did was to save rewards from my everyday expenses and manage my loyalty programs better. It is surprising that one could earn up to $600 from loyalty program expenses. And I believe if I can do it, you can do it too. There is at least $16 billion worth of loyalty rewards which goes unredeemed in US every year. We want to exploit this and make maximum use of these loyalty rewards. The problem is we don't collect it efficiently because we have to sign in for different loyalties and have different numbers recorded. However, our solution, Spend to Save, is a single sign-on solution in one common app which we have developed where you can manage all your rewards from all the loyalty programs. It is first of a kind service which helps you collect the rewards efficiently with minimum user input such as boarding passes, car rental agreements, hotel keys. We help you collect wherever you're spending, wherever you're traveling. Then our app with the software platform helps you collect and connect the rewards efficiently in a way that we run machine learning algorithms and state-of-the-art digital technology to connect all the database between different global merchants which have partnered together. Once you have rewards in your bank, we come up with the smartest algorithms to provide the best redemption possible from your rewards. Therefore, we want that your everyday expenses should be converted to your rewards so you could travel for free next year or every year you want. We want to become your personal travel hacking assistant. Spend to Save is the new future of collecting rewards because we believe that we want to provide satisfaction to our customers, profits to our merchants, and all the engagement possible. So next time when you're renting a car at an airport, go chase down the car because we will be chasing down the rewards for you. Or when you're staying in a hotel, enjoy your comfortable stay. We will take care of all the rewards that come with it. Whether you are online shopping, whether you are doing dining outside, or you are traveling with all these boarding passes, we will take care of all the rewards for you in one common app. These are few merchants which have partnered together. Next time when you are shopping medicines at CVS Pharmacy, don't forget to collect miles. We will help you do that with minimum user input. From ride sharing services such as Lyft to filing taxes on TurboTax. There's rewards everywhere, from buying electronics to staying in a hotel. Don't forget to collect your miles because we believe that your money should always be tied to your savings. Thank you.